Hello, welcome to Inkybay. Today we are going to show you another way to get color hex code for your product. So let's get started. First, go to your browser and search for image to color code. You'll find so many websites that provide the service, and I'll just pick one randomly. Let's say this one. Let's click here. Now I'll upload image. Let's say this is my product image, and when I move my cursor, the color picker automatically gets the color in the right corner, which is here, and when I click, the color code is generated here. You can also move cursor from pixel to pixel to choose certain pixel color code. Now you can select the code and paste it in the Inkybay. That's it. Thank you for today and see you in the next video.